guys, what's up? And today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute little play button girl. And this is one of my own I made, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a girl. So materials you'll be needing are pink, some maybe colorful fabric here, and some black. You could use any colors you want, but this is my 3 combination. So you need a color for this part here, a color for here, a color for these 2 parts, and the accessories like the senses, like the eyes, the mouth, arms, feet, those things. You'll also be needing some tacky glue. If not, you could sew it, but I'll do it in another video. And you'll also be needing some scissors. So what I'm going to be doing here is you want to cut. I'm going to take some pink fabric, and what you want to do, you want to cut a little rectangle, maybe the size of this. It's okay if it's not perfect, but I'm going to cut around this. Now, if you've been wondering why I haven't been making videos, I'm sick today, so I might not be here at school. But this is a sewing video that I'm going to be making. Some for my these are going to be I'm making these plushies for the subscribers who subscribe to me. And then once you have those 2 pieces, put them together, or you could take one off, put this to the side, and we're going to be working with this. So what you want to do, you want to cut a triangle, like a nice triangle. Wait, there you go. And then what you want to do is you want to make it better, like make the edges smooth, stuff like that. That's what I'm doing right now. And I want it to be the size of your original, if you like that. But since you don't have an original, we're just going to be doing like common sense size. Just try to make it fit. You just like that. It's not glued on yet, so what you want to do is, this is easy, turn on the back and just, oh no, this is kind of dirty because I put the cap wasn't very good. So you want to, oh no, I need to wash this. Oh my god. Give me 1 minute to just fix this. Oh no. I'm just wiping it on the fabric because there's something wrong. That I put a nail in it, and then it made it all dirty and gross and stuff. That's why I'm cutting it off. Alright, now I'm trying to clean it. And I got it. Sorry if I wasted some of the time. It's okay if you, I don't know why, but I used a nail for it. And what you want to do with the glue, I kind of use this. Wait, give me 1 second, guys. The glue's not, I don't know if I have enough. Wait. Wait, I might have to open this. and just, yeah. I'm just gonna do that, wipe it on there, and yeah, couldn't do anything else. And what you want to place that is in the center of your play button. Oh no. Oh my god. Okay, wait 1 second. I'll be back with you in a minute.
Got it. Huh? You can't throw clay down my sink. You can't throw glue and clay down the sink. It's clogged. It'll clog.
Sorry. How do I wipe it off? I put a nail to close it, and it got all over.
No, I want you to take a break. One and then take a break, or I'll take it away. I said one. Sophia's not playing with it. You're not playing with it. You gotta rest your eyes. Put this inside. Put this over there. Same place. And do not fight.
Sorry guys, we were having some technical difficulties. Sorry guys, I just need to get rid of something. Oh my god. That was so disgusting. It's okay guys, I'm not gonna be sick. Oh my gosh, that was so gross. Okay, so what happened? There was like rust. Cause apparently I'm stupid. I put a nail to close this. And then there got rust in there. It was so gross. I can't think about it or else I will puke. Oh my god. Oh my god, ew. So gross. And it was so gross. It's not funny. Oh my gosh. It is disgusting. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway. Sorry about that. Here we go, continuing on with the video. So what you want to do is you want to cut like a little square of black. There you go. And you want to cut it around one side. Like that. Got one. And what you want to do, you want to place it right here between the play button and this part. And that's what I did. Oh my god, I hope I never do that again. Disgusting. Why'd I do that? And yeah. So you want to wait till that dries, but we'll continue on. And there will be more of these. I'll be doing Minecraft, FNAF, Shopkins, you name it, I sew it. But if it's something like I don't know, like very I don't know, but I would try to do my best. If it's like really detailed, I'm not saying I won't do it, but if it's like really detailed, it might not look as good as you planned because guys, no one's perfect. And what am I doing? I'm not supposed to be talking this. This is a sewing video. Okay. Let me just check if this is the right size. Yeah. So you need that one, and what you want to do, you want to plate that up the tip of the play button. And these are going to be the eyes. So you got a little YouTube pal right here. And that's how it should look. And that's not, I didn't add white in the eyes, but it looks good. If you want that, then you could put white there. But I won't be doing that in this video. And the boy will be easy. And I will also be showing something I made, and I will be making it in another video. It'll be cool. It looks actually awesome. And I don't know if it can actually move its jaw. And I'm not going to spoil this right now. Oh my god, that's a big smile. I don't want it too black. I don't want it too sad. Or bad. Okay. This, and this. Oh, looks cute, guys. There we go. Put glue. I'm going to put some tacky glue there. You could put the mouth, this is just my perspective of where to do it. And you can make a smiley face with the glue and then put it there, or I don't know, dab it on the, you could dab it on this, and then place it, whatever you want, just make sure you have this smile. And I will be doing different faces, maybe, soon, but this one, just that. There you go. And now, time for the eyelashes. So this one, I'm going to be doing it with one. Because the other one has two, but let's see how it looks with one. This is the double one. Wait. Sorry. Okay. See, it has two. But I'm going to do one for this. And this might be easy to do. For me, wait. I know. I need it. Okay, there it is. Oh my gosh, that was so gross though. Okay. And then you want to If it's too thick, you can cut it a bit. And this is just a simple little plushie, so I don't need a template. But in other videos where I can do stuff without a template, it will look good. Even without a template, guys. Without a template is so easy for me, but with one, it's a nightmare. It's annoying because it takes so long. But without it, I'm a really good sewer. I know the exact thing to do, and yeah. All right, so then once you got the 2 eyelashes, there's a little big mess. So once you got those, I'm gonna do 1 eyelash for these. There you go. And then there you go. 1 eyelash. Just cut it a bit. There you go. Got my hands. So that's 1. And then number 2 is coming. Oh no, stuff is on my hands. Nope. Okay. And that's 2. So there you go. Now, this is optional, but I did it on mine, a bow. And then I'll do a video where I sew the both of them, because these are easy to make, and you don't need a lot of material just to make one of these, but they're really cute and easy to make. So what you want to do, you want to cut 1 triangle, right? 1 triangle, 2 triangle, and then what you want to do, see? Okay, 2 triangles, and then put them together and glue them right where it makes a bow. And you can make the boy with the bow on his chest. Not his chest, like near his shirt. Or you would, if he had it, like if I did the boys with a shirt, like tuxedo or something, you put it there. And now the bow is here, right here. And I might do another video where I put the arms and legs on. Oh no. And then I'll show the cupcake. Alright. I think you want to put a little dab of glue in the corner, or maybe a little more. Put a little more here. Not too much. There you go. And that's your bow. So that's its face complete. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. Remember to like and subscribe to me. I don't really know how to put animations in the video or put the subscribe thing. But if you can help me give me some tips on how to edit, that would be great. Remember to subscribe to me. And anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!